in today's digital world, cybersecurity is crucial. But what are the biggest threats and how can you stay safe? First, phishing, tricky emails or texts designed to steal your info. Always check the sender and look for strange links. If it feels off, it probably is. Next, malware, viruses, ransomware, spyware. Keep your software updated, use a reputable antivirus, and download only from trusted sources. Then weak passwords, your biggest vulnerability. Use long, unique passwords for every account. Better yet, use a password manager and enable two-factor authentication. Shopping online. Ensure websites are secure. Look for HTTPS and the padlock icon, and never use public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Finally, be proactive. Regularly check your bank statements and online accounts for suspicious activity. Your vigilance is your best defense. Stay safe, stay smart, and protect your digital life. Like this video and subscribe for more tips.